How to create Amazon account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So let's get started. The first thing first, open up any browser that you have. For here in my device, I'm opening the Google Chrome and then search for amazon.com on the search bar. So it will lead you to the home page over here, and what you're going to do is tap on this little icon over here of hello sign in. Then you're going to select on new customer, start here. Now after tapping on that, you'll have to provide your details with your name, your mobile number or email, or then add your password. So just type in your email, or you can enter password and then select on verify email. After that, you'll be needing to verify by solving this puzzle given up right here. So just type the puzzle and then select on continue. After that, it will provide OTP at your email address. You just have to enter the OTP, then select on verify again, and you'll be required to add your mobile number as well. You can just add your mobile number and choose the country with the codes of the country accordingly. So just look for your country and then select on add mobile number. Now it will send an OTP to your mobile number, and then you just have to enter that and it will make your account in the Amazon application. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. See you next time.